All right, guys, I did it wrong this time, and I totally messed up. Accidentally took a picture of myself and didn't record any of it. So you're gonna have to sit back and watch this time lapse of me replacing this CV axle in the front that I snapped. I think I took a picture of it before, but it totally grenaded. And so we bought a new one. There's a bit of a snafu with Alba Racing, saying that the kit I bought was for 2 axles instead of 1. I'll go over that here in a little bit at the end. I did record the end somehow, just not the beginning. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. There, it's all installed. Brand new shiny axle in there. We'll see how long this one lasts. I did put some more diff fluid in there. Like I said, I have to after run an event tonight. We're gonna do, it's called Hoop DX out at the Deschutes County Fairgrounds. Run what you brung. And this is what I'm brunging. I might give it a bath first, maybe not. I don't know. But either way, should be fun. These things are kind of a turd to jump if you don't have it in 4-wheel drive. So it's kind of imperative to get that axle fixed before this event because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be jumps. But we'll see you guys there. So this is my father-in-law's helicopter that he actually built this. It's a kit helicopter, but it's really well done. It's got a supercharged engine in there. And he used to fly this to Madras and back for work at the hospital, which is pretty cool. They used to call him the chopper doctor. And he kind of went on hiatus with it for a long time and never flew it. And he had some issues with flying. We almost actually crashed in Midland, Texas in his airplane. When the flight control people, they flew us into a thunderstorm in a small plane, which was super scary, and he kind of just quit completely flying. And so he's finally breaking this thing back out again, which is super cool, and I hope to get more rides in it and have some more footage from it. And hopefully he keeps on it, because he's a great pilot, and it's super fun and super cool to have a helipad right here at your house. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.